Hi, let me show you what's in our spring skin essentials kits. There's 4 to choose from, and with every one you get a full-size complimentary product. So first up we have got the Lift and Firm set, which in here you purchase the elixir, perfect for boosting your collagen and elastin, good for open pores, good for tightening the skin. Anybody concerned with aging, this is a beautiful serum to put underneath your AVST moisturiser to supercharge. You get the Vitapeptide Eye Gel, need I say more, it's one of our best-selling products because it delivers the results to give you nice hydrated, firm, bright eyes. And then you get a full-size complimentary AVST of your choice, so whichever level you are on, you can select that at checkout. Just put that up there out of the way. So it's a fantastic offer to get a complimentary AVST, and that one is selling quick. So if you are wanting to purchase one of the sets, I wouldn't hang about because we probably won't have them for much longer than a week, I would say. Next up, we have got the Even and Protect kit. So in here, this is for radiant. So if you feel like your skin needs brightening, if you want that lovely healthy glow, if you feel like your skin tends to be a little bit uneven in summer with pigmentation, if you've got any redness in the skin, then this is the perfect kit to go for. In here you get a full-size complimentary rad SPF. You purchase the AVST and the C Boost, which are a powerhouse together. It gives you all of the essential nutrients to give your skin a healthy glow. Next up we have got the Prep and Hydrate, which in this kit you get a complimentary full-size pre-cleansing oil. This is just a fantastic product just to melt everything off the skin. It will literally budge everything. It's you double cleanse. It's there to just melt waterproof mascara, the heaviest makeup. I love it. I use it every day, but some people just use it when they're wearing a heavier makeup. I love the feeling that it leaves. So you get that complimentary when you purchase your AVST, again, level of your choice, and Super Moisturiser, which is our extra hydration boost. And then that one up there, then you have got the Nourish and Firm, which when you purchase the Ace oil and the Dermalock lotion, which can be used on the body or the face for certain skin conditions, or if you're on a higher level, you get the contouring cream, which again can be used on the body for like the buttocks, the legs, the arms, anywhere that you want to firm and tighten, but you can also use it on the jaw, which we've had some fantastic results. So that is the last one, which you get a full-size contouring cream. So don't hang about because they will sell out and we have got limited stock left. But yeah, 4 sets to choose from. Which one are you going to choose?